this video I'll show you how I mix up my hydroponic nutrients. I use the Root Farm formula, which just consists of a base and a secondary hydroponic nutrient. First I'll add the base, add 1/8 of a teaspoon to 2 liters of water. I find it's helpful to have a jar that's big enough that if I just fill it up, it'll be the right amount of water, and that way I don't have to measure it every time. Then I add 1/8 of a teaspoon of secondary formula. Wait a few minutes, shake it up. That's about it. Thanks for watching.